President Donald Trump has initiated legal action to prevent his accounting firm from turning over his personal financial documents to House Democrats who are investigating him. A lawsuit filed Monday against Mazars USA, as well as House Oversight Committee Chairman Rep. Elijah Cummings, Democrat Maryland, and the committee's chief investigative counsel Peter Kenny claims that there is no legal basis for seeking the financial records. The committee has subpoenaed Mazars USA for Trump's financial documents, including statements of financial condition. During a recent congressional hearing, former Trump lawyer Michael Cohen stated that Trump would use these statements to exaggerate the value of his assets. He would allegedly do so by inflating the number of residential units in properties and the number of floors and towers he owned. Democrats are looking into this to see if any of these alleged misrepresentations were criminal in nature. Trump had previously put Mazars USA on notice, saying that legal action could come if they complied with a subpoena. Now it appears that Trump does not wish to wait for that to happen. The complaint notes that Cohen is a felon who has pleaded guilty to lying to Congress, and claims that the subpoena goes beyond the Oversight Committee's authority. Chairman Cummings has ignored the constitutional limits on Congress' power to investigate, it says, pointing out that the Constitution gives Congress the power to enact certain legislation, emphasis in original, not to investigate. Accordingly, investigations are legitimate only insofar as they further some legitimate legislative purpose. Trump alleges that Cummings' subpoena doesn't have any legislative goals, and is only meant to look into alleged criminal activity, with the goal of exposing the president's personal information with the hope that it will turn up something that Democrats can use as a political tool against the president now and in the 2020 election. The complaint states that the subpoena is merely the weapon of choice for House Democrats in their all-out political war against President Donald J. Trump. Law and Crime reached out to Cummings' office, Kenny, and Mazars USA, but none had provided statements at the time of publication. Trump's lawsuit aims to block the subpoena via a permanent injunction and a court order saying that such a measure is invalid and unenforceable. It also seeks